months of anticipation, finally the day has come. We are heading to the airport for our flight today. We are now seated on our seats and boarded our plane to Hong Kong. So while we wait for the rest of the passengers to go onto their allocated seats, looking at the window. So this is a 9-hour flight from Sydney to Hong Kong. I think the engine is now, the plane is starting to move, and I guess we'll be taking off soon to our flight to Hong Kong. Goodbye, Sydney, for now. We have finally taken off, and as you can see through the window, we are leaving Sydney. And now dinner is served on the plane, and soon we will be landing. Just look at this photo inside the plane as we are approaching Hong Kong. Now approaching Hong Kong airport. We just got off the plane and we're inside Hong Kong airport for transfer. There's a welcome sign to Hong Kong. Hong Kong. Hong Kong airport, and we're the travelator. Our flight to our destination is 2:10, so we are looking for some snacks. So I think we can get some food there somehow. While waiting for our gate to open, my daughter and I explored Hong Kong airport and we discovered this monster Labubu. It's the huge attraction at Hong Kong airport at the moment. Took some photos. A few minutes later, we discovered Hong Kong Disneyland shop. So we decided to go inside and explore the shop with so many things to buy. It is very exciting to see all the Disney stuff, even the socks and everything movie themed stuffed toys. And I bought myself a water bottle, Hong Kong Disneyland water bottle. How fascinating to the eyes. Basically, I am just browsing the shops, many interesting things that I checked out. There's some kind of bags and it's just amazing. So many things. This bag is pretty, a tote bag I think that one is. And a jumper with a Disneyland on it, picture of Disneyland. Anyway, just trying to kill the time before we head off to our gate. So just a bit of background about this travel that I'm on. I had my birthday, 60th birthday, last August, and this is their gift for me, surprise travel to Japan, which is quite overwhelming and exciting. So I basically don't have any idea. I don't know the itinerary that my kids have already prepared during this travel. So I am very excited and I would like to take you with me during this holiday experience in Japan as I travel in Japan for the next 14 days, I must say. So I am very grateful for my children and thankful for such a wonderful gift, unexpected. And it's my first time. It's my daughter's second time, but my first time in Japan. So can't wait to share with you this experience for the first time, spending my time in Japan. So soon we will be going to our gate. We probably have to be taken by a bus. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the video. And are now going to head off to our gate. So we are still at Hong Kong airport and we are waiting for our gate to open for our next destination. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. We're going down. Apparently we're going to take a bus We are now on the bus that will be taking us to our gate. Hong Kong airport is huge, so our plane is on the other side, and there's a service bus that takes the passenger to the next gate. We have just transferred to our gate. Pretty quiet. It's 25 degrees. So our gate is 211. So what time is it now? Yeah. Yes. I am walking inside Hong Kong airport, waiting for our next flight, which is HX 606. And here we are.
I'm gonna go under it.